Welcome back to the Awesome Possum Classroom. This is week 3, lesson 1 of your daily kindergarten phonics. Rhyme time. A rhyme is a repeated sound in 2 or more words, like the at sound in cat, hat, and bat. Cop, drop. Say cop, drop. Do you hear the op sound in cop, drop? Cop, drop, rhyme. Now it's time to practice. Listen as I say 2 rhyming words. Repeat the words back to me. If the words rhyme, give me a thumbs up. If they do not rhyme, give me a thumbs down. Mug, map. Thumbs down. Zap, dip. Thumbs down. Went, sent. Thumbs up. Mink, link. Thumbs up. Van, Dan. Thumbs up. Excellent job. Now let's name the first sound in the word. Listen for the first sound in the word. Name. What sound do you hear at the beginning of name? Say the sound, not the letter. Good job. Let's practice. What sound do you hear at the beginning of wig? Wah. What sound do you hear at the beginning of yet? Yeah. What sound do you hear at the beginning of sob? S. What sound do you hear at the beginning of zip? Z. What sound do you hear at the beginning of pull? P. Excellent job. Now let's practice blending. Blending to make words means we put all the word parts together to make a new and bigger word. Orbit. Orbit. You say it. Orbit. Orbit. All right, let's practice. I will say 2 syllables. Say the syllables back to me and blend them together to make a whole word. Radar. Repeat that, please. What's the word? Radar. Repeat this, please. Motion. What word does it make? Motion. Repeat this, please. Awful. What word does it make? Awful. Repeat after me. Insect. What word does that make? Insect. Repeat after me. Doctor. What word does that make? Doctor. Excellent. Now let's work on ending sounds. Listen for the last sound you hear in the word. Lid. What sound do you hear at the end of lid? Say the sound, not the letter. Duh. Great job. Let's practice. What sound do you hear at the end of lamp? P. What sound do you hear at the end of sock? K. What sound do you hear at the end of jug? G. What sound do you hear at the end of pine? N. What sound do you hear at the end of house? S. Good job. Now let's practice segmenting. Segmenting means listening to the whole word and then breaking it down into smaller parts. Garden. Garden. There are 2 parts in the word. Repeat after me. Garden. Garden. Great. Let's Practice. I will say one big word. Say the word back to me and then take it apart into two smaller parts. Repeat after me. Fossil. Break the word down into two parts. Fossil. Repeat after me. Monkey. Break the word down into two smaller parts. Monkey. Repeat after me. Kidney. Break the word down into two smaller parts. Kidney. Good job. Repeat after me. Gopher. Break the word down into two smaller parts. Gopher. Repeat after me. Humid. Break the word down into two smaller parts. Excellent job. Now we can add a syllable to the end of a word. We can add a syllable at the end of a word to make a new word. Say the word small. Add at the end of the word and the new word is smaller. Okay? Say hun. Add and the new word is honey. Say bun. Add and the new word is bunny. Say mun. Add and the new word is money. Say have. Add and the new word is heavy. Say earl. Add and the new word is early. Now let's take away a syllable. Say fixing. Without the ing, what is left? Fix. Good. Say honey. Without the e, what is left? Hun. Say bunny. Without the e, what is left? Bun. Say money. Without the e, what is left? Mun. Say heavy. Without the e, what is left? Hev. Say early. Without the e, what is left? Earl. Let's change syllables. We can change a syllable to make a new word. Say longest. Change long to strong, and the new word is strongest. Let's practice. Say kindest. Change kind to tall, and the new word is tallest. Say tallest. Change tall to wild, and the new word is wildest. Say wildest. Change wild to brave, and the new word is bravest. Say bravest. Change brave to tough, and the new word is toughest. All right, let's learn the alphabet. We can learn letter names and letter sounds. Each letter has a name and a sound. I will ask you the letter and then the sound the letter makes. What is the letter? F. What is the sound? F. What is the letter? A. What is the sound? A. What is the letter? C. What is the sound? K. What is the letter? B. What is the sound? B. What is the letter? D. What is the sound? D. What is the letter? G. What is the sound? G. What is the letter? L. What is the sound? L. What is the letter? H. What is the sound? H. What is the letter? I. What is the sound? I. What is the letter? K. What is the sound? K. What is the letter? N. What is the sound? N. What is the letter? E. What is the sound? E. What is the letter? J. What is the sound? J. What is the letter? O. What is the sound? Ah. What is the letter? Q. What is the sound? Qua. What is the letter? R. What is the sound? What is the letter? P. What is the sound? P. What is the letter? S. What is the sound? S. What is the letter? U. What is the sound? What is the letter? M. What is the sound? What is the letter? V. What is the sound? V. What is the letter? Z. What is the sound? Z. What is the letter? W. What is the sound? W. What is the letter? X. What is the sound? X. What is the letter? T. What is the sound? T. What is the letter? Y. What is the sound? Y. Now it is time to do an activity with your teacher. Your teacher will say a line. You will say the line and clap the number of words in the line. Count how many words are in each line. Teacher, pause the video so that you can complete this activity with your class. That's the end of our lesson for the day. We'll see you tomorrow.